Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Tteok Galbi, Korean hamburger patty. Let's get started!
Why would you do it? 하지마!
Then you should do it. Ready? Action!
싫어.
안녕 친구들, are you guys ready to cook? Today we are gonna cook something really special, like one of my favorite food. Did you say I don't know what to say? Exactly! No, I know what to say. This food is one of my favorite food, and every time when I have it, I feel like I'm in America. That's really weird, but that's how I feel. When I was in America, my mom used to send me this food a lot. My freezer was full of this food, and I was eating almost every day when I was in America. And today, I'm gonna teach you how to make it so you guys can feel like you're in America? I don't know. So the food is Tteok Galbi. Tteok means rice cake. Galbi means rib. So it's a rice cake rib. That sounds really weird, but reason why Koreans call Tteok Galbi as a Tteok Galbi is it means the meat to shape of rice. That's why they start calling it as a Tteok Galbi, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. So let's get started! To get started, we're gonna prepare our vegetables. First, you need one bottom half of a green onion. Cut it into half and slice it half lengthwise and slice it into quarters and slice thinly. So basically you need to dice it. So dice it however you want. And put to the side. Next, we need a quarter of an onion. But since my onion is super large, I'm gonna use less than a quarter. So slice it into half, about quarter. Slice thinly, but don't slice it all the way. So about like this much. So slice thinly. So I don't know you guys can see it well, but it looks like this. Next, slice thinly in the other direction. And put to the side. I hurt my wrist while I was doing climbing, so don't blame my knife skills today. It kinda hurt when I'm moving, so don't blame me. Next, we need spicy pepper. This is very optional. Usually, Tteok Galbi is never spicy at all, but somehow my family, my mom make it as a spicy and I really like it. So if you like spicy food, make sure add it. So cut the stem and we're gonna use half of the spicy pepper. I'm using 청양고추, which is the spiciest pepper in Korea. If you cannot find it, use any kind of spicy pepper. So cut it into half and in quarter and slice it thinly and put to the side. Next, we're gonna make our sauce. You need 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 2 tablespoons of jinganjang, strong soy sauce. But if you cannot find the jinganjang, you can use any kind of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Next, my secret sauce, dashida. Get a beef dashida. We're gonna add half a tablespoon and sprinkle some peppers. What? But there's peppers. I don't understand English. But you can
How many peppers are in there?
about 2,372.
I don't think so.
Should we calculate it? After you learning about English, add all your... I guess someone didn't learn. After you learn about English, add all your vegetable that you prepared. Mix it well. Oh, smells so good. Ooh. I think one of the best taste is tanja, which is a sweet and savory. Because of the vegetable is so fresh and hint of the spicy pepper make me sweat, but it's really good. I really like it. You can add a lot more ingredients for Tteok Galbi, such as Korean pear, ginger, or honey. But today I wanna keep it as simple as possible. If you guys want me to cover my mom's recipe, please let me know in the comment down below. And don't put to the side. Next, we need 400 grams of ground beef. Put your beef into the bowl. 짠! You smell the beef. 뭐지? 앉아. 앉아.
He's already sitting.
didn't I? Good boy. 엎드려. Good boy. Where's his mouth? 앉아. Okay. 손. 다른 손. Good boy. Good boy. 뭐지 맛있지? 그래. Say thank you. Yeah. Bye bye 모chi. Mix it well. Reason why Tteok Galbi is called Tteok Galbi is it's the same shape as a Korean rice cake. But some places actually serve Tteok Galbi with the rice cake. Sometimes cover the rice cake over the meat, or they put rice cake inside of the meat. It was originally palace food. Only the king could eat it. But over time, it spread throughout Korea, and each region developed their own style, different shapes, and different ingredients. Some place is very thick, and some places very thin, and sometimes it's a round circle shape, and sometimes it's rectangular shape. But today, we're gonna make it thin and a rectangular shape, cause that's what Sarah likes. So basically, sometimes it shapes like a Whopper and sometimes it shapes like a McRib. Next, we need 1.5 tablespoons of starch. I'm using potato starch, but add any starch that you have. It is okay without starch, but adding starch make it stick together more. After mixing it well, you can play catch by yourself. Strike! Ball! I'm not just fooling around, you gotta keep smash it to make your meat more tender and stick it together. After you play for a while, press it gently. Ta-da! McRib shape. So after you make the shape that you like, put to the side. This dish is perfect for meal prepping. When I was a student in America, my mom used to send me whole box of the frozen Tteok Galbi. I just stored in my freezer. It only takes 6 minutes to cook, so I could have my mom's home cooking anytime. Ta-da! You are my destiny. Did you just say my heart is ugly? You're so mean! Ta-da! This one is thick one like a Whopper. Next, get a pan and turn your stove on high heat. And add some vegetable oil. Once the pan is hot, place your Tteok Galbi. We're gonna cook it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, flip your Tteok Galbi. Since it's the soy sauce and sugar, it will be easy to get burnt, so keep your eye on a clock. After another minute, lower your heat and flip it again. We're gonna cook the meat in a low heat for about 2 minutes. Ooh, 맛있겠다! After 2 minutes, turn your stove off. Place it on a plate. That's it. Our Tteok Galbi is all ready to eat. Eating time. Eating time. That's it. Ooh, smells really good. Oh, I'm drooling. That's it. Wow. Wow. really good. It's like,
I gotta show you guys the close-up.
oh my gosh. Do you guys see the juice that comes out? It's super juicy. I took a bite and all the juice comes out and super flavorful. Like I'm like swimming in the meat. I love it. Love it. Love it. 이렇게 맛있어도 되나요? 이보다 맛있을 순 없어요. Compared to the normal American hamburger patty, it's a lot sweeter. It's like more like a teriyaki sauce or bulgogi sauce, so it's sweet. And compared to normal American patty, inside is super tender, like less dense. Once you have a bite, it melts in your mouth because we add the starch and a vegetable. It's almost like a meatball. And because we add the soy sauce and a sugar and other stuff, outside is almost like caramelized and it's super crispy and a booyah! Tastes super good, so you should definitely try it. Even I add a spicy pepper, it's not spicy at all. It just adds dimension to the flavor. So even if you don't like spicy food, you will like it. So add it. Definitely add it. Since I add a lot of vegetable, it's not greasy at all. Sometimes when I eat American hamburger, it's super greasy. This one, even if I eat 100 pounds of the Tteok Galbi, I don't think I will feel this is greasy at all. Super good. And if you wanna eat it as a meal, you can eat it with the kimchi or soup. It goes well with any Korean dishes, so you should definitely try it. That's it for today's episode, and if you liked it, please hit the like button. That will help my channel a lot. What time is it? Time to announce 친구 of the week. So 친구 of the week is Chronicles of Nom. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, I'm so sorry. He or she cooked my jjajangmyeon recipe and it looks super good. I thought it was from a restaurant. I hope you enjoyed. Keep cooking delicious food, and if you're cooking my food, tag me. Thank you to all my Patreon. Mekanom and Krista, Sequeline, Nancy, Samantha, Jeanette, Zalander, Miss Cheshire, Spencer, Gia, Joy, Sue, Lexi, Mr. and Mrs. Gavin. Thank you so much for helping me to make better and bigger contents. See you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you wanna see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. Then I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!